Like way better than the 350Z kit we have on our school cars. Unbelievable.
What's up, guys? It is currently August 25th. We are about a month away from the Adam LZ World Tour in Toronto. So this stop is like 3.5 hours from FDF Race Shop, our shop, heading west towards Toronto. So at the World Tour, there's gonna be a lot of sick drivers. Adam LZ, Grant, Jimmy, the list goes on. There's a bunch of cool drivers. So after the event on Monday, we wanted to do a cool little tribute. So since our shop is so close to the LZ World Tour, we wanted them to come down on Monday, check out our shop, and then drive at one of the sickest tracks that we have down here, Shannonville Motorsport Park. Sadly, we couldn't get Shannonville for the main stop of the tour, but this is gonna be a little pit stop after the fact. So this is where this series comes into play. We're gonna be revamping our shop 350Z. This car has definitely seen some better days. It's been sitting for a while, but we have done so much development with this car. Some new goodies on the front. We have our grip kit on the rear, all of our braces. This car was the main FDF development car.
It's so sad. The one word is neglect. That's the only word to sum it up. If I'd known you were filming it today, I would have brought my weed eater.
I think the main thing is going to be interior, wrap, headlights. That's it.
Yeah.
Let's check out the interior.
Oh, it's gonna smell so bad. When was the last thing this thing good? Oh, it was the beginning of the year when Matt put his 350 kit on. J-Man and Matt were driving 350s. So what was that, June?
Yep.
Was the last time this thing even moved? Oh, there's no carpet left. Yeah, this thing needs some love.
That's where we come into play, right?
Sick handbrake though.
Yeah.
That thing's fresh.
Sick. Oh, it does smell.
Man, something leaks and it's been getting wet in here for sure.
Let's get Rain to do the honors to see if this thing's gonna start.
Man, it's not gonna start. We check if there's still oil in it?
This thing is the biggest trooper. Ice drifting, just letting it sit. I don't think we've done an oil change on it.
First. So it's pushed all the water past the head gasket and it's all in the cylinders. Oh my God, Jet! That's pretty fresh. There's a little metal.
That's a great start.
Yeah, that's all Kyle, because nobody else would do an oil change on this thing.
Okay.
All right, so we can't let it run for too long. Oh, hood paint. Oh, something's wet. Oh, we got dash. We got tunes. No way!
There's no way, dude.
Half tank of gas. All the lights are on the dash.
Drive this inside, man. Dude, I don't think you have a wheel. I think J-Man brought it inside.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. Wow, good car. I'm pumped on that. We definitely need some glove for sure. And need some, oh, do you feel, dude, feel that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like sandpaper. So if anyone wants to send love, we're accepting love.
Maybe some nuke love once it gets a 6 liter.
So basically the first step of this is taking off the wrap. Ethan has already started. How's it looking, man?
I unwrapped my car once before, and this is a lot nicer. Mine pulled paint everywhere.
So silver underneath?
Yeah, not for long.
So anyways, watch us take off this horrid wrap. So right now, basically we got a lot of the wrap off of the car. We have to take a couple fenders off and the hood off, but it's gonna be sitting outside this weekend anyways. So Rain has been lending a helping hand. He's taking apart the interior. So basically it has carpet, seats, all the plastics and stuff like that. But since it was sitting for so long, we think there may be something living in it. Obviously a mouse would be the #1 culprit. We're pretty content with just ripping everything out of it. Saving weight, also getting rid of that nasty smell that's in it. How's it going, man?
Not great. The electric seat doesn't want to move. So to get the back bolts out, we had to pull the motor off the seat slider, and I'm trying to move it manually now.
So Rain got the passenger seat out, and there's definitely some treasures under here.
So I don't think the passenger seat's ever been out. There was a compact disc, I don't even know, switcher, automatic switcher. And then one of these I haven't seen in a minute, cassette to aux.
Dude.
Let's go. That's probably worth something.
That's an OG.
That's OG. Before, would they have Bluetooth transmitters before that?
Yeah,
after that.
yeah.
This is pre-boot Bluetooth transmitter.
What else we got, man?
There's a couple tools and some trash.
I didn't know there was a compartment.
Just a family of bikes. Welcome to my crib.
So basically the plan is to just clean up all this and then just take the carpet out?
Could leave the carpet in and just wet vac it, I think.
Okay.
Would help a lot. I think carpet out's a big deal because it goes over the trans tunnel, so you gotta take the console out, goes under the dash. Carpet out without cutting it is a big job in most cars. Exhaust rattles and all that stuff, so all the sound deadening and insulation will help a lot. So we'll keep it if we can, but if not, like, it's not a huge deal. It's just a pain to remove. So we'll tackle that obstacle when we get to it. We'll leave the rest of the interior just because, like, you can't see any of this stuff from the front seat anyway, and then there's nothing left for any rodents to make a home out of. So we'll vacuum it all out, but then leave the back of the seats, because does like the console attaches to that, the glove box is in there, and then like there's speakers and stuff in there. So we'll just leave all that stuff, but then everything under the hatch is gone. So.
Have fun. So I think we're basically done for day one. Was it successful?
Yep, no interior, and it looks better than I did before.
So day one, we basically completed wrap removal, seats out, carpet cleaned, rear hatch in there was all cleaned. So basically after this, next week, Rain is gonna bring in his shampooer, get it all cleaned out. Honestly, it does smell better now that like everything's out.
Way better.
Like, it's still not good obviously, but it's way better than it was. So we got a lot to go still, but we still have like a month, so we have time. But the sooner we start, the better, and then Paul can get the car for wrap, and then we can finish up all the final touches from there. But that's it for episode 1. Thanks for watching. It's definitely have a lot more to do, so hit that subscribe button, hit like, and see you in the next one. Hey, tu papi!